guys, what's up? It's me, Tracy Baby. Okay, I'm really not lying, guys. My vagina seriously smells like tuna fish. No matter how much I clean it or wash it, it smells like tuna fish. Like a can of tuna fish. Like, no matter how much I try to clean it or wash it, it smells like tuna fish. It stinks. It's so bad. I, use Summer Eve. I use soap. I use everything I possibly can, and it still stinks. I don't know why. It stinks so bad. It stinks so bad, like tuna fish. Like tuna fish. I'm serious. No matter how much I clean it, it stinks really bad. Right now, my legs are threaded open, and it still stinks. No matter how much I clean it, it stinks. I don't know if the smell will go away. I don't know. But it stinks really bad, like tuna fish. It's gross. The smell is beyond disgusting. And I think it's something from Christian. I got something from Christian. I don't know, but it's a really nasty smell. So, I don't know what the smell is. It's like a stinky potato fish smell. Yeah, like a little fishy smell, like tuna fish. Like tuna fish. It's like a tuna fish smell. Like a tuna fish smell. It smells disgusting. I mean, I try to mix it with tomato juice. But I can't really, because then it stinks even more bad. I don't know why it stinks all the time. I don't know, it stinks. No matter what else, it just stinks. It smells really bad. It smells like tuna fish. I'm seriously not lying. You can ask Christian. I'm not even lying. My vagina smells like tuna fish. It stinks really bad. Like tuna fish. Tuna fish casserole. Tuna fish. Like raw tuna fish. Smells so bad. It stinks so bad. It smells like raw tuna fish. No matter how much I clean it, it stinks. Like raw tuna fish. I don't know. It smells so bad. So bad. Like raw tuna fish. And tomato juice soap. You just gotta get it all up and stir it together. Mix it all together. Yeah. It stinks so bad. I don't know why it stinks so bad, but whatever. I just have to put tomato juice in it and raw tuna fish and tomato juice. Hopefully it gets better. I mean, I don't know. Does it really smell like tuna fish? I really don't know. I think it does. Like raw tuna fish. Casserole tuna fish? Raw tuna fish. Yeah, raw tuna fish casserole. Raw tuna fish casserole. Yeah, it smells really good. It smells amazing. I think it's amazing, so. Yeah. Pretty much. Just gotta use soap, raw tuna fish casserole, blend it together, and eat it. Eat it good. Eat it very good. I mean, it sucks having a stinky vagina, but I don't really care. Christian likes it. All the other guys like it, so it's like, whatever. I don't care. So my vagina smells like raw tuna fish, and I'm proud. I don't care. Ooh, raw tuna fish! It stinks. But I love it. Hi, Isis Nico. Peace out.